So we can further study how to calculate new ratio, sacrificing ratio and gaining ratio in following cases. Okay, in different cases how we can calculate this. Okay, for that I will give you an example. Suppose X, Y, Z are partners. They are sharing profit and losses in the ratio 5:3:2. That means X will get 5/10, Y will get 3/10 and Z will get 2/10. Now there is a reconstruction of the firm. Okay, so that we have to calculate new ratio, sacrificing ratio or the gaining ratio in the following cases. So the first case is if Z acquires 1/5 share from X. I repeat, Z acquires 1/5 share from X. Okay, that means Z is gaining partner. That means he is acquiring. He is a gaining partner, whereas X is sacrificing partner because he is sacrificing 1/5 share to Z. Okay. Now, how we can calculate new ratio? First, I will show that. So, all the share we have to write that. We have to make a column, 4 columns. In first column particulars and next 3 columns as per the number of partners. First we have to write all share of 3 partners 5/10, 3/10 and 2/10. And second one, whether they are gaining or sacrificing. Sacrificing we have to denote in bracket, we have to make in brackets because it shows a negative figure. Sacrificing means we are sacrificing, that means our share is reducing. So we have to put it in bracket which shows a negative symbol. Okay, so sacrifice means we have to make it in a bracket. Gaining means positive, that means it is adding to our share, so we have to just show the gaining. Then X is sacrificing 1/5 of the share, so we have to make negative 1/5. We have to make it in bracket, that is minus 1/5. And to make the denominator same to the 10, we have to multiply the numerator and denominator by 2. So this will become 2/10. So negative 2/10 because X is sacrificing. And there is no change in Y's share. And for Z, he is gaining 1/5. That means he is gaining 1/5 share from X. Okay, so his gaining share is 2/10. If you multiply numerator and denominator by 2, it will become 2/10. Okay, so X sacrificing 2/10 and Z gaining 2/10. So what is the new share? Earlier X had 5/10. Now he sacrificed, so his share reduced. His share reduced by 2/10. So remaining share is 3/10. Okay, so new share of X is 3/10. There is no change in Y's share, so his share remains same, 3/10. And in the case of Z, earlier he had 2/10. And now he got some share from X, so it's get added. 2/10 will be added to Z share. Now it become 4/10. So new share becomes 4/10. So what is the new ratio? New ratio means the new share between the partners in their ratio, that is 3/10, 3/10, 3/10 and 4/10. We can make it as 3:3:4. So this is how we can calculate new ratio, 3:3:4. Then we have to calculate sacrificing ratio. Since there is only one partner sacrificing, the sacrificing share is 1/5. Sacrificing share is 1/5. Okay, there is no sacrificing ratio. Since there is only one partner, there is no ratio. We can describe it as 1/5. And gaining share is equal to 1/5. Okay, this is how the case 1 can be solved. Okay.